Hello ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all and welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Authentic right here. So in this particular video, we'll be talking about Quantum Wallet and the latest update, right? There's a latest update concerning this project that I would like us to talk about in this particular video. So if you know you participated in this particular project, because we've talked about this project previously on our channel sometimes ago, but I don't really think if everybody really got that information at that point in time. So if you guys really recall, if you already participated, then stick around this video. But if you have not participated, then you still have enough chance to get on board. Okay, so I will be dropping the link to this Quantum Wallet in the description section and also the comment section of this video. So all you have to do is just follow all the available links, sign up and receive your welcome bonus. And I will still advise you guys to watch that previous video that we did about Quantum Wallet, because that was where we break down everything that you're supposed to know about this particular project. Okay, how you can be able to get started and get your airdrop tokens. All right, you guys can see what I have right here as my value. Okay, so I'll be leaving the link to that particular video also in the description section and comment section of this particular video. Okay, so you have to make sure you watch that video immediately after watching this one, or better still, watch that one before watching this one, so that you really understand the process of how everything is being done. Okay, and how you can be able to get your airdrop. So I already have 41,000 right here, equivalent to $12,300 right here. Okay, so in this particular one, we'll be talking about the latest updates in this particular project. Okay, so firstly, I just want to say something about this figure right here, right? Because a lot of people are asking me questions. Is this the real value? Is this the real token and stuff like that? Okay, this is not the real value. Okay, what you are seeing here is not the real value. This is called unrealized PNL. Okay, now let me break it down. Okay, the reason why you guys are seeing this right here is because the atu token, which is the real token, is trading on this exchange, this Quantum Wallet. It's valued at $0.3. Okay, so whatever you see right here, just know that it is equivalent to what you see here. But now here is the thing: what we are getting as airdrop right here is the satu points. Okay, so this satu point is going to be converted to the real atu tokens on the day of TGE and listing. So they just pegged these satu points at the real value of atu token, citing the possibility that at the end of the day, this is what we are going to be getting. Okay, so don't just take whatever you have here for it. No, don't just take it for it. This is not the real value. So when the TGE comes around, they are going to convert it. Okay, so we don't really know how the conversion rate will look like, but they'll be converting this satu point that we have to the real atu tokens. That is when you will see the real amount of whatever you get here. Let's say the funds you have here at the end of the day. Okay, so I hope that one is clear, and you guys can see this particular wallet is very beautiful and straight to the point. I think we just have a lot of reason to jump on this particular project. So you can check on P2P right here. You can do a lot of things right here and stuff like that. Do well to make sure you follow them and perform some tasks right here. You guys can see there are some tasks that you can perform right here in this P2P session, and you get some quantum points, some satu points right here. Okay, do well to perform all those tasks. Very necessary. You guys can see right here. Okay, so and if you come to this particular center button right here, this is where you can be able to stake some amount of funds and get percentage on your investment. All right, you guys can see atu airdrop. Staked assets can be redeemed anytime. Airdrop rewards are issued every 24 hours. So this particular one is where you stake TRS. Okay, you stake TRS and get 18% of whatever you stake at the end of the month, right? So the minimum amount of TRS you can stake is 100 and maximum is 100,000 as well, right? So this particular one is where you can be able to stake USDT. You can stake USDT right here. And get 18% as well at the end of the month. So minimum amount of USDT to stake is 10 and maximum is 100,000 as well. So all you have to do, if you're really interested, right, this is not a financial advice. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys what is here. You can be able to transfer some amount of tokens right here. So if you come to wallet right here, you can scroll up and you will see USDT. That is for those that want to participate, either USDT or Tron. You just have to tap on it and get the address. After that, you fund it, then you come here, stake any amount you wish, then get your return. But the sweetest part of this is that you can redeem it any day, anytime. But like I said, I'm not saying that you should go and stake or not. I'm just showing you guys what is available right here. So you can check the support right here. You have a lot of questions you can ask right here, and you can also check your profile right here to see your details and everything. Okay, so with all this being said and done, let me go and show you guys the latest update in this particular project, and it will really blow your mind. Okay, so we just hope that it comes to pass. So let me just minimize and head straight to their official Telegram channel. So the team made this particular post today, being April 30th, 2025. You guys can see the date right here. So, and they said atu token, that is quantum wallet, atu token, it will be officially launched on May 8th. Countdown 7 days. Are you ready? So this particular atu token that we are talking about is going to be launched on the 7th day, let's say on the 7th day of May, right? Yeah, on the 7th day of May. So from now is 8 days countdown. So let's just read through a bit. They say hot. Attention everyone, Atu's major plan is revealed. Atu will be officially listed on May 8th. Countdown 7 days. Complete these 2 steps immediately. So you have to make sure you complete these 2 steps. Very crucial. They say invite each of your subordinates to join the official channel. So make sure you join their Telegram channel. Then the second one says no one can be fall behind. Notify one person to ignite a wealth chain. Okay, yeah, still attached to the first one. So the second one says download quantum wallet. So like I said, I'll be leaving the link to this particular quantum wallet in the description section and comment section of this video. So just make sure you download it, and like I said earlier, do well to watch the previous video that we did about this quantum wallet so that you understand everything. Okay, they say why choose quantum wallet? Security guarantee, decentralized technology, autonomous asset control, extremely fast withdrawal, second to accounts, right? Extremely fast circulation, preferred wallet with principal and income available at any time without any restrictions. Now is the time. Okay, now is not the time to wait and see. It is time to act. Now is not the time to wait and see. It is time to act. Okay. So you have to make sure you join the channel right here and join the quantum wallet. Okay, download quantum wallet right here. I'll leave everything in the description section of this video. So this thing really means that on the 7th day of May, okay, sorry guys, on the 8th day of May, I think I'm getting it wrong, right? It will be officially launched on May 8th. Okay, so on May 8th, this atu token is going to be launched, maybe probably on the quantum wallet. Then we can be able to swap the SATU points to the real quantum tokens. Okay, so I think this is a very good news for everybody that has already positioned in this particular project. So if you know you have not positioned, do well to position immediately after watching this video. So on the 80th day of May, we are going to be seeing the real value from let's say SATU tokens to SATU points to the real atu tokens, and we'll see what we'll have at the end of the day. Okay, so that is just that. Thank you guys for watching. Stick around our channel and our platform, because I will still be getting you guys updated wherever there is a latest development on any project, and also this quantum as well. And like I said earlier, do well to make sure you watch the previous video about this quantum so that you really understand how you can be able to get your airdrop, share your links and everything. Okay, so this is where you can be able to invite your family and friends. You can receive, you can transfer. See, this is a very functionable wallet on its own. So this is P2P and a lot of features right here. So you can see the atu token value, pi value, BTC value, Ethereum, BNB, TRSO, and so on and so forth. So this is already a functionable wallet on its own. Follow every steps, create your wallet, secure your phrase and everything. Okay, in fact, the previous video will tell you everything that you're supposed to do. So do well to watch that one before watching this one. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Till I come your way next time, stay safe and remain blessed. See you guys in our next video. Bye for now.